Guangdong Xinhuida Machinery Technology Company Limited is a national high and new technology enterprise with 25,000 square meters floor area and located in Dongguan City. We focus on the sales, R&D, and manufacturing of cast film machines since 2010. We can provide stretch film machine with film width from 1,000 millimeters to 2,500 millimeters. Cast film machine with film width from 2,000 millimeters to 3,000 millimeters, and PE breathable film machine. Our company has passed various ISO certifications and owns various patents. By using advanced technology, machine designs, strict quality control, and advanced equipment, we provided thousands of customized cast film machines to customers in more than 64 overseas countries, such as India, Vietnam, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Turkey, Russia, USA, Mexico, and Brazil, etc. Now we are one of the professional companies in Chinese cast film machine manufacturing and one of the important cast film machine manufacturers in the world. In order to ensure 100% or higher service satisfaction, we hired and trained a professional sales team, engineer team with 20 persons and experienced technicians for customized product proposals, machine designs, and machine manufacturing. Video technical support, filed maintenance, and services and after-sales services from the other parties are always available. We sincerely hope to cooperate with more global customers and provide great help on their cast film business.
See